Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to display internet speed in notification bar. Displaying internet speed in the notification bar provides real-time information on your network performance, helping you quickly identify and address connectivity issues. So let's start the video. To show internet speed in the notification bar, open Play Store and type in Internet Speed Meter Lite in search. This is the app Internet Speed Meter Lite by Dynamic Apps. So click on Install button. It's installing now. Installation is complete. Click on Open button. Ensure that the app has necessary permission to access your network data. So grant permission. Click on Allow. So now you can see the internet speed in notification bar. So there you have it. You have successfully set up your Android device to display your internet speed in the notification bar. Thanks for watching.